If lawn care drains your time, energy, and money, here's good news. Replacing even a portion of your lawn can conserve your resources and help the environment. Vast grass lawns may look nice, but at a cost. They require large amounts of fertilizer and pesticides that run off into water bodies, contaminating both water and aquatic life. They're water hogs. Lawns are responsible for 1/3 of all water consumption in the U.S., and they greatly reduce the amount of food available to sustain pollinators, birds, and other beneficial wildlife. Thankfully, there are plenty of easy care alternatives that can take foot traffic. Here are a few. Creeping Thyme is a low-growing mat of scented evergreen foliage and dainty purple flowers. It will grow in full sun to part shade and doesn't require much watering. All it asks is good drainage and it will thrive. A superb choice for sunny areas, low-growing varieties of sedum sport fleshy leaves that change color with the season. Varieties like Blue Carpet or Dragon's Blood are tough ground covers that stand up to heat and drought. Ajuga is a rapid spreader that carpets the landscape with matte-like green leaves and short pink or blue flower spikes that bloom in late spring and early summer. It's extremely hardy and evergreen in many parts of the country. Low-growing varieties of Veronica, like Tidal Pool or Waterperry Blue, create a sea of long-blooming blue flowers that accept foot traffic. While some Potentilla is shrub-like, Potentilla newmaniana makes a beautiful, low-growing ground cover. Its cheery yellow flowers and shiny evergreen leaves brighten the landscape. It's a great choice for hot, dry climates. An excellent alternative for constantly moist areas is Lysum maquia, otherwise known as Creeping Jenny. A fast spreader, it covers the ground with foliage that turns bright yellow in full sun. For shady areas, there's no better choice than Sweet Woodruff. It sports dainty white flowers and whirls of pretty foliage that look great all season. It's an excellent choice for planting under trees or around bulbs. You'll find more low-maintenance lawn alternatives at the foot traffic-tolerant link below. Have a look and choose those best suited to your climate, sun exposure, and personal preferences. With these low-maintenance options, you'll reduce the time and money you spend on lawn care and help Mother Nature in the process. Happy gardening!